3 days in Cefalù, on to day 2, and what we did was the beach day, which was so exciting. But first, we started off with wonderful, delicious breakfast.
No.
Little sign. Alright, we're here and you can install this app or parking. Thank God my husband drives because I don't know how to. €1 for 1 hour. We're just arriving down. It was easy to use the machine, but I will be installing this app for next time, for the rest of our trip. We came to check out B&B Lumachella because this is our host's wife's B&B that she takes care of. This is closer to the beginning of the city center, within walking distance of the beach and many things. So I definitely recommend this as another option for a stay if you don't want to stay up the hill like we did.
Today.
So today's our wedding anniversary and it's supposed to be a beach day, but it's really crowded, really cloudy. So we're just gonna walk around town, maybe stop by a Lido, and it's like a little chaotic and we love it. All right, there's also this parking lot over here, which is more expensive than what we paid, up to 12 hours 11, so it's double what we paid for the Easy Park app, but there are options. Still a lot cheaper than the US. So I like where we park because then we can walk and avoid all this traffic and chaos. And so glad to have you guys tagging along. I forgot to mention I was hunting down to get my nails done like a manicure, but that was hard to find. Sun has come out. Let me make sure I'm recording. We have just arrived at the beach. We're gonna check out one of the Lidos, and I'm just so excited with this gorgeous water behind me on our anniversary, just where I wanted to be, and the sun is out. Thank heaven. Looks so good.
This out.
Tacos. We saw this hotel, Sunset Hotel, and offered to do some drone footage if they would allow us to go up to the rooftop pool. And guess what? They said yes. Check this out. We freshen up and then we hit Cefalù back for our anniversary dinner time. Our host was the one who made the reservations for us, and I'm going to leave all the details in the caption, so make sure you read.
Bueno, pero una parte está bien que...
Golden hours to have it captured here in film at this fabulous restaurant. Como é que tá, Luiz?
Lá tá muito boa, tem muita barulhando. Então, ali
For the YouTube. Oh, yes. Very nice.
Esse é o chefe.
He's the chef? Oh, grazie. Wow. Come si chiama? Giovanni. Giovanni, our chef for this evening at Vechia Marina.
Com macarrão. É macarrão, mas eu sei com o quê.
É outro macarrão. Red shrimp.
Isso.
Alright, let's try it. I just had a little bit of the shrimp and it's delicious. Oh my goodness. It's got a little pistachio crumble, red onion, and it's a pistachio cream sauce.
Thank you. Love you.
Wow, yummy. Right here, right here. No, put it right here for me.
It's okay? Così mi emoziona, signora.
We ended the evening with like a nightcap drink right by the water, this bar next to the parking lot, and the Espresso Martini was delicious. Stay tuned for day 3 where we did so much sightseeing plus a wine tasting tour at Castello Bueno.